Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to turn on cartoon a picture on Canva. So let's start. It's very easy. Well, I have this picture here. Just go to the left side and let's scroll down to find the option that says apps. Just click there and then just write cartoon. Just click there, enter, and just select the cartoon that you want. For example, I want this, and just open it. Just click there and just cartify and reply. Just press that button and then you will check the picture will change as cartoon. So just you have to wait a few seconds here until it works. Okay, as you can see, the picture changed to cartoon. There are more apps that you can use it for doing. You can use the cartoonist, etc. You can do open and then just select the picture and then you have to try it. Okay, you can generate the picture here and there are more options that you can use for turn on your picture on cartoon on Canva. So guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.